Welcome. If you want to update your email address on Roblox using your PC and the latest web update, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your email address on Roblox, keep your account secure, and make sure everything is verified and up to date. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Roblox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the gear icon. Click on it to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account information page. Here, you'll see your current email address listed. To the right of your email, there's a small pencil or edit icon. Click on that. A new window will pop up asking you to enter your new email address. Type in the email address you want to use for your Roblox account. Double-check that you've entered it correctly, as you'll need access to this email for verification. When you're ready, click the Change Email button. After you submit the new email, Roblox will send a verification message to the address you just entered. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Roblox. Inside, you'll find a link or a button to verify your new email address. Click on it to complete the process. Once you've verified your new email, return to your Roblox account page. You should now see your updated email address marked as verified. This means your account is now linked to your new email, and you're all set for future logins, password resets, and security notifications. That's it. Changing your email on Roblox is quick and easy. Always make sure your contact information is current to keep your account safe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the latest Roblox updates. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.